Hi guys, so now moving on to the next question. Now, we have this function void f char star a if star a and star a not equals to space f a plus 1 put char star a. Now we have to call this function and we have to pass the string. Let's suppose a, b, c, d, e, f, a, b, c, d, space e, f, g, h. Let's suppose this is our string. Now we have to solve this, right? So I am writing a string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now let's see. And let's suppose we base at this 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 108. And this is your A, right? Now it's star. So what is the star of A? Star of 100 is A. And star of A is not equal to space. So your condition is true, right? So I am here writing if H, right, and H not equals to space. Just for your sake of simplicity I am writing this, so this condition is true. So when this condition is true, what is happening? F A plus 1 means what? A is 100, 100 plus 1 is 101, and you are also printing what? You are printing star A. A is 100, star is what? A. So you are printing A. So first thing that is getting printed is not A, because we have this recursive function before that. So you have to first finish this recursive call. Now your A, when you call this function, so now your A is pointing at 101, right? So now your A is pointing at 101. So again you say if star is what? B, and B not equal to your space, your condition is true. So when your condition is true, then your pointer moves to what? 102, and your printing star of this is B. So now when you call this function 102, now your A points to what? 102. 102 star is C, and C is not equal to space, so condition true. So now your pointer moves to 103 and your C gets printed, right? Now when you call this function 103, right? 100, 101, 102, 103. So 103 star is D and D is not equal to your space, so condition is true. So your function F104 and 103 star is D gets printed, right? Now when you call this function 104, so 104 is pointing to this. Your A is pointing to 104. Now see, 104 star is your space, and I am writing star of A is not equal to space. So your condition becomes false and you will come out of the loop. So what is the answer? So first thing that gets printed is your D. D कैसे आया? पहले ये फंक्शन है, बाद में तो ये प्रिंटफ है, तो जब तक ये फंक्शन पूरा सॉल्व नहीं होगा तब तक ये प्रिंट नहीं होगा, ये स्टैक में स्टोर रहेगा. ठीक है, तो 101 कॉल हुआ, उसके बाद 102 कॉल हुआ, फिर 103 कॉल हुआ, फिर 104 पे कंडीशन फॉल्स हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ. 103 ने क्या रिटर्न किया? D. तो सबसे पहले क्या प्रिंट हुआ? D. फिर 102 C, 101 B, और 100 your A. The answer of this code snippet is DCBA. I hope it is clear, guys. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye.